Understanding Bitcoin, how it works and staying safe as an investor. Have you heard the buzz about Bitcoin but feel lost in the technical jargon? You're not alone. Bitcoin might seem mysterious, but it's shaping the future of money. Understanding its basics not only empowers you, but also helps you make informed, safe decisions as an investor. Bitcoin isn't just hype. It's a decentralized digital currency that eliminates banks and middlemen. It opens opportunities for financial freedom, but comes with risks you must manage. In this video, we'll break it all down in plain English so you can explore its potential safely. Bitcoin is a type of digital money created in 2009 by an anonymous entity called Satoshi Nakamoto. It's built on a technology called blockchain, a public ledger that safely records every transaction. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by governments or banks. Think of it as the internet's answer to cash. Instead of being printed like dollars, Bitcoin is mined using computing power. Its supply is limited to 21 million coins, making it rare and valuable, but also incredibly volatile. Let's explore how this works. Bitcoin transactions are peer-to-peer, meaning you can send or receive money directly without a bank. These transactions are verified through miners, specialized computers that solve complex puzzles to secure the network. Once verified, the transactions are added to the blockchain. The blockchain works as a tamper-proof digital ledger, ensuring transparency and security. To participate, you'll need a crypto wallet, which acts as your digital bank account for storing and managing your Bitcoin. It's simple in concept, but requires vigilance to use safely. Bitcoin's value comes from its scarcity and trust in the system. With only 21 million coins ever to exist, demand grows, driving up price. Its decentralized nature, free from government control, appeals to people seeking financial independence or a hedge against traditional economies. However, with great potential comes great risk. Bitcoin's value can skyrocket but also plummet abruptly. Understanding these dynamics is key to managing your expectations as an investor. Let's explore how to stay safe while navigating this exciting but unpredictable landscape. Investing in Bitcoin can be rewarding, but it's not without risk. Volatility is one of the biggest challenges. Prices can fluctuate wildly within hours, making it unsuitable for those seeking stable investments. Always invest only what you can afford to lose. Scams are another major concern. Phishing attacks, fake exchanges, and Ponzi schemes have tricked countless beginners. Stay vigilant by doing thorough research and sticking to trusted platforms. When something sounds too good to be true, it often is. Secure your wallet. Choose a reputable wallet. Hardware wallets offer the best security. Avoid keeping your Bitcoin on exchanges for long periods. These digital wallets can be hacked. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of protection to your accounts by enabling 2FA. It's a simple but powerful step to safeguard your holdings. Avoid sharing private keys. Your private key is like your password. If someone gets it, they can steal your Bitcoin. Never share it, even if requested by someone claiming to offer help. Do your research. Before buying Bitcoin, research the platform or exchange you'll use. Check reviews, fees, and security measures. Trusted names like Coinbase or Binance are a good starting point. Watch out for scams. Be cautious of promises of guaranteed returns or doubling your Bitcoin. Scammers are skilled at creating fake opportunities to lure beginners. Trust your instincts. Bitcoin isn't for everyone, and that's okay. It requires patience, ongoing research, and a willingness to accept risk. If you believe in its potential, start small and focus on learning as you go. Long-term perspectives often work better than chasing quick profits. Remember, there's no such thing as easy money. By knowing your financial goals, you can determine if Bitcoin fits your strategy. Always diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This lowers your overall investment risks. Bitcoin is more than just hype. It's an opportunity to rethink how we handle money. But to truly benefit, you need to understand its workings and exercise caution. By following the tips in this video, you'll be on your way to a smarter, safer investment journey. Join the conversation today. Like, subscribe, and share this video to spread valuable knowledge about Bitcoin and crypto safety. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Together, let's build a safer, more informed crypto community.